Dig, dig, dig is the perfect activity for groups that are getting to know each other. The participants need to sit in a circle on chairs. There should be one person without a chair, and this person should stand in the middle of the circle. The person in the middle can ask any questions that they like. For example, who has a cat? At this point, everybody who has a cat must stand up and move to an empty chair. They are not allowed to move to a chair either side of where they are sitting. As well as those people looking for a chair that have a cat, the person who asked the question is also looking for an empty seat. This will generally mean that a different participant will be left without a seat. This allows for someone new to stand up and ask a question.